If we've learned anything during the global pandemic, it's that the business landscape can change overnight.
It's official. There's been a shift in the workforce over the past few years, and remote work by distributed employees is being implemented by more businesses than ever before.
That's why the Remote Online Initiative is here, to ensure that our state's business sector remains strong, capable, and adaptive.
The skills required to manage an in-office team are very different from the skills required to manage a remote team. The Remote Online Initiative from Utah State University provides specialized training to prepare business leaders for success in this rapidly changing world of work. Challenges faced by managers for remote teams include keeping members motivated and productive, avoiding isolation and burnout, and effectively communicating without micromanaging.
Remote work allows organizations to broaden their talent pool and provides an opportunity for team members to create a better work-life balance. Remote work reduces the need for physical office space, office furniture, and parking. And by allowing employees to work remotely, you provide them with a far broader range of choices on where to live, childcare arrangements, and much more, which ultimately cultivates loyalty so they can stay longer.
Utah State University offers a short 4-week course to enable managers to become certified to lead distribute. You'll meet virtually with your classmates once per week to discuss critical topics such as communicating vision, creating the right culture, critical communication skills, performance management, conflict and change management styles, and how to provide relevant learning and development under remote or hybrid work arrangements. You'll receive feedback on course assignments from experienced instructors who've led remote teams themselves.
Learn more about becoming a certified remote team leader at remoteworkcertificate.com/leader.